And Iman Kaamil, what is Iman Kaamil? That we fulfill our duties. Whatever is we are obliged to do, we fulfill our duties completely. And there is two types of duties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put upon us. There is certain type of duties which are related to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. On the other hand, there is certain type of duties that are attached to the makhluk of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what stops us, what is an obstacle that stops us in fulfilling these duties, is the love for the dunya. When we have the love for the dunya, when we care more for the dunya and we think that we behave as if we are going to live here forever and ever, that's when we are short. Then that's when we fall short on our duties towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and towards the makhluk of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we see ourselves coming short towards the rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our ibadat, they decrease. And when we come short on the makhluk, on the rights of the makhluk of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that means our khidmah, our serving, that decreases. So because the rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are called ibadat, and the rights of the makhluk of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is khidmat. Khidmat-e-khalq and ibadat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this only happens because if somebody has an extraordinary love for the dunya. So what is it? What is the love of the dunya? Things that are going to stay in this dunya. And the love of the things that are going to stay in this dunya is called the love of the dunya. And the things that are going to come with us after we die is akhirah. And the things that facilitate us for the life hereafter is also called akhirah. That is not called dunya. For example, what stays in this dunya? Our house stays back in this dunya. We leave, our house stays. Our job stays. Everything stays. This is all dunya. What comes with us? Our ibadat, our akhlaq, our good dealings with other brothers, our caring for others. Everything is taken to the next level. So this is akhirah. Our salah does not stay here. Our recitation of Quran does not stay here. If we help somebody out, even if we helped out an animal, that is going for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, thinking this is the makhluk of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is going to come along. So this is all akhirah. And the things that facilitate us are also the akhirah. For example, somebody buys a good bed, a comfortable bed, that if I'm going to sleep on this bed, I'm going to fulfill my sleep. It's going to replenish my energy. This is what I need to sleep good. So if I sleep good, I would be able to wake up for tahajjud. If I sleep good, I would be fully rested and I can go out and earn for my family. If I sleep good, my mood stays good and my akhlaq stays good. So all these things that facilitate towards the akhirah, that also becomes the akhirah.